Welcome to Mariana's Cooking and More. Today we're going to be making puff pastry. So you're going to be needing hot dogs, cheese strings, flour, a knife, and a rolling pin, and one of these cutting boards, and puff pastry. Okay, first we're gonna take a nice and clean surface, and then we're going to take some flour, but make sure it covers the whole surface of the flour. Then take your puff pastry, put it on, and take more flour and put it on the puff pastry, but not a lot. Then take your rolling pin, and the reason I want you to put flour on the rolling pin is that if you don't put flour on the rolling pin, it'll get sticky on the puff pastry, and then the puff pastry will be sticky on it, and you don't want that to happen. Because if it's sticky, it'll be hard to get off, and it'll take you like 3 days to make your puff pastry. Oh my God, that's a lot. And make sure you always ask an adult to do this, because I just realized that it's a bit hard. So now you need to keep rolling until it's flat. And as I said, please ask a parent to do this with you, or a parent's supervision. And now roll it sideways so it can be even bigger, because we want a huge puff pastry, don't we, guys? Whoa! Aha! See, that's why we need to put flour on top. Wee! Okay, now that it's nice and flat, we're going to take 3 hot dogs and we're going to cut them in the middle. So here's my first hot dog. You can see I'm cutting it in the middle. Here's my second hot dog. Oh, I forgot with the first one that you have to cut it all the way. So you can see here, it's like that. Whee! And then let me go back to the first one and fix the adjustment that I forgot. And here's our third one. Make sure we don't do mistakes. Now you take 3 cheesy strings, and you can ask a parent to help you open them. And if you can open them yourself, then just go ahead and open them. And then cut them in the middle like we did with the hot dogs. And then just take this, put it in the garbage. Okay! So now that we've cut all the hot dog and cheese, we're gonna take 1 hot dog, put it like that. And it's okay if it's out a bit. And then we'll take the second hot dog. And finally, we'll take the third one. I'll just bring these a bit forward. Okay, now we'll take 3 cheeses and attach them. Well, they're not really attached, they're just really close. And then we'll do the same with the other 2. And then you'll take it and you'll roll it. Now that you've rolled it, you're gonna cut it from here where you rolled it, and then you're just gonna tighten it. Now that we have the puff pastry nice and tight, we're going to take a pan and we're going to put some flour on the pan, but not too much. Okay, now we're going to take an even sharper knife, so be very careful. So here we're going to cut our puff pastry into tiny pieces so they're easier to eat. So now I'm going to cut these 4 in half because this one's fine, but then these 4 are a bit big. So we're going to take our knife, we're going to cut the middle of this one, the middle of this one, middle of this one, and the middle of this one. So now we'll take them, we'll put them on. And here's a tiny trick. When the hot dog is at the edge, like you can call it like top or bottom, you want it to be this edge at the top so the bottom is flat so it can stand up. And then make sure there's also a space between them. And also make sure they're standing up, because if they're laying down, it won't be crunchy. And then when they're standing up, it'll be like puffing. That's why they call it puff pastry. And then it'll be all crispy. Right, guys? I hope you guys like my videos. There's a tiny turkey that fell out. I'm mad at you, turkey. And now I think we should cut this one in half too. This one's not very flexible with me today. I don't know why. Now make sure if you have one like this, you have to tighten it really good. And if you have one just with hot dog, it's fine because you might not have enough cheesy strings and blah, 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 and you'll be, I don't have enough cheesy strings! And then you'll run to the fridge, and that's fine if you only have one with hot dog, because I'm sure this one's only hot dog or something. Okay! So now we're gonna do the second one, which is, we have to remove you guys. We don't need you, flour. Now 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and then you're gonna put these glued, like I said, and then, well, they're not glued, like I said. They're just stuck together really good. And also make sure that the hot dogs are a bit tight to each other. And then what we're gonna do, flip it. Awesome. Make sure it's a bit tight before you take it off, and then you can tighten it even more when we take it off. And remember to be careful with a sharp knife. So now that we have it all tight, we're going to take our knife, but be very careful, like I said. Stop, stop. Because then we can be best friends, best friends. It'll be so much fun. What is it with these guys today? Well, not guys, but like hot dogs and stuff. Because a hot dog is not a person, guys. Remember that. It doesn't matter which size your puff pastry is, because while they're cooking, they're probably gonna grow. So it doesn't matter. Make sure you leave space, like I said before. I think we might need more hot dogs. Don't you guys think? So we're gonna take 2 more hot dogs. Okay, now we're going to take the sharp knife and be very careful, because see, when I went like that, I cut that sharp part. So be very careful. But if you're using a sharp knife like I'm doing here, I recommend you to have an adult supervision. Oh my God. Kids today. Okay, now we're gonna take 2 more cheesy strings. I can't open this thing again. Ah, there we go. You can use any kind of cheesy strings you want. I'm just using the mixed colored one. Well, that's what I call it. It has these 2 colors. But you guys can use like just orange or just white. But I like these ones with puff pastry. They're really good. I tried them on my last birthday and they were really good. And also make sure that the cheese is not very long, but these are, so that's why they're stuck together. But see here, there's a tiny entrance. As if you're a tiny, tiny human and you're walking through. Okay? And then poor little guy, he has to go in the... Hey, that's not a hot dog. We'll put you right there. See, look at this proud hot dog. He's being very good. I think he's gonna be the first one to be eaten. So now we're gonna start cutting them and we're gonna start putting them straight. Ah! Look at, here's like, it's like a tiny head from Trolls. If you know what Trolls are. Ah, let's keep going. And then we'll put them all after. I'm sad. I can't put my favorite hot dog piece. Everything can be fixed, but I'm not sure if this one can. Anyways, we'll just leave it aside if it doesn't work. Bye-bye. Why are you laughing, Dad? It's not funny. Okay, maybe it is a bit. Okay, are all the hot dogs gonna go on the side? What's wrong with hot dogs today? I'm gonna get mad at these hot dogs. And they're gonna go in the garbage. They're gonna be forgotten. There were never hot dogs. Wait, this one's too big. A troll had a dog! You know what? I don't care about them anymore. I'm not gonna fix them. I'm just gonna put them. Who cares about hot dogs today? We just wanna eat them, don't we, guys? Good job. Can we all clap for the hot dog? I wish there was some kind of glue that you can eat so they stick together, don't you guys? Wait, there is a glue. Ads can be a glue. Let's get some eggs. Okay, egg, small bowl, and a brush. Now, nothing to see here, folks. Just crack an egg. Ah, my God. Now, just move it aside. We're gonna take some of this yellow, like over here. Not this yellow, this yellow. Now we're gonna dip it in and we're gonna put it on. It's a glue! We are amazing! I told you this one's broken too. I guess we have to refix it. I think I'll bring the ones out, the ones that we need to fix. Don't we, guys? We have a lot to fix. So now that we're done, we're gonna put them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. My dad let me use the camera to take this video, so before, and you'll see after. Let's put them in the oven! Okay, so let's be back to the channel, and here we go. We're all done I forgot the name, so. These look excellent. Stop disturbing the chef.